Hello everyone. Today topic is about operator in Python. So what is operator in Python? Operators are special symbols in Python that carry out arithmetic or logical computations. For example, the value that operator operates on is called the operand. For example, here my 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Okay. So here 2 plus 3 is my operands. Okay, that is mean 2 and 3 are my operands. Okay, and plus sign is my operator. This is called my operator, this is called my operand. This is called my operator. And the output is my called as an operation. The output, that is 5, is called my operation. Okay, so are you clear? So here 2 and 3 is called my operands, and plus n is called the operator, and the operation is called, the output is called operation. Okay, so let's talk about how many type of operators are there. So there are 7 type of operator in Python. So let's talk about types of operator. So first one is my arithmetic. Second is my relational operator. Third is my assignment operator. Fourth is my logical operator. Five is my membership operator. And sixth is my identity operator. And seventh is my bitwise operator. So in this session we are going to learn one by one what is arithmetic operator, what is relation type operator, what is assignment operator, and what is logical operator, and so on up to bitwise operator. So what is arithmetic operator? So arithmetic symbols means subtraction, addition, division, modulus, floor division, multiplication, and exponential. So for example, arithmetic, that is plus is my addition, minus is my subtractions, division, that is this symbol, and modulus, that's mean percentage symbol, and floor division mean double slash double bracket symbol, and multiplication mean that's asterisk symbol, and exponential mean that is double asterisk symbol. So this is exponential mean this is squares. Okay, and also just like relational comparison, that means that is less than, greater than, that is less than, greater than, equal to, double equal to, and not equal to, not equal symbol just like this, and also less than equal to, greater than equal to. So these all are the relational type of symbols. And assignment symbol, that is, let's say that is equal to sign, not double equal to. Just remember that whenever I assign, that is equal to sign, and that is plus equal to sign. I will explain you what is this symbol used for, and an example of these symbols. So that is plus equal to, minus equal to, is multiplication equal to, that is modulus equal to, exponential equal to, dot equation equal to. Alright, so these all are the assignment operator. Okay, and also logical operator, that means that is and or not. These all are the logical operator. And membership operators, that is means that is in and not in, in and not in, that is used for the membership operator. The identity operator, when we use each and each not. So where we should is each, that is means true if both value are the same. So that is we use each, and is not means that is true if both value are not the same. That's why we use is not. And bitwise operator, there is a bitwise logical operator and bitwise shift operator. That's a bitwise the logical operator and also called also shift. Okay. So inside the logical operator, we have the bitwise not, bitwise or. And inside the shift operator, that is a bitwise right shift, bitwise left shift. Okay. So we will later we will discuss about in the next session. That is example of arithmetic operator and example of relation operator and after the example of bitwise operator. Okay.